Hi, it's Isaiah with Tron Solar here, and we're just going to take a minute to revisit one of our SolarEdge inverters from a very happy homeowner. A lot of times we see an issue on the SolarEdge app, and many homeowners ask us, how do we troubleshoot this, or how do we get ahead of things to get closer to getting our system back up and running at 100%? So today, just a couple of troubleshooting steps. First and foremost, you're going to want to check either the breakers that are outside the home or inside the home. Make sure all of those are flipped to the on position, and if they are, then you proceed to the next step, which is going to be checking the AC disconnect here. As you can see, this is flipped to the on position. From time to time, if there is some kind of an electrical surge that needs to be protected from the system or your home, then this will flip down automatically, or a breaker will flip off. So those are the first two things you want to check. The third is going to be making sure that your DC switch here, the PV system switch here, and the gateway switch right to the side of the SolarEdge inverter are also on the on position. If all of these things look fine, there is a high probability that it is just a reporting issue, and you give us a call at 1-800-484-8766. We will go ahead and create a service ticket for you and then see what we can do to get your system back up to your liking. And lastly, when recognizing any kind of issues, it is more important to call us early than later so that way we can get ahead of things and ideally make sure that a small problem doesn't become a big one.